Chapter 10. Perimeter and Area. Warm-up activity. Perimeter. The sum of length of all the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. The word perimeter comes from the Greek words peri, means around, and meter, means measure. The perimeter of figures formed by straight lines can be measured using a ruler or any other measuring instrument. To find the perimeter of a plane figure or polygon, we will add the lengths of all its sides. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all the three sides. Example 1. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. Solution. Perimeter of a triangle MNO is equal to NM plus MO plus ON. It is equal to 50 meter plus 80 meter plus 30 meter is equal to 160 meter. Perimeter of a quadrilateral. Perimeter of a quadrilateral is equal to sum of all the four sides. Example 2. Find the perimeter of the given quadrilateral. Solution. Perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. It is equal to 400 centimeter plus 250 centimeter plus 350 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equal to 1050 centimeter. Perimeter of a square. All the four sides of a square are equal. Perimeter of the given square PQRS is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. It is equal to side plus side plus side plus side is equal to 4 multiply side. Thus, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side. Example 3. Find the perimeter of a square of side 6 cm. Solution. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side. It is equal to 4 multiply 6 cm is equal to 24 cm. Perimeter of a rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal if we denote the length and breadth of the rectangle by L and B respectively. The perimeter of the given rectangle EFGH is equal to EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. It is equal to L plus B plus L plus B equal to 2L plus 2B. It is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Thus, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. Remember, we can find the perimeter of closed figures only. Example 4. Find the perimeter of a rectangle of length 9 cm and breadth 4 cm. Solution. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. It is equal to 2 multiply 9 plus 4 centimeter is equal to 2 multiply 13 centimeter. It is equal to 26 centimeter. Area. The amount of surface covered by a piece of land or an object is called its area. It is easy to see that the area of rectangle 1 is more than the area of rectangle 2. But sometimes it is not so easy. Can you say between the two figures A and B which has larger area? Let us cover the surfaces of A and B with the tiles of same shape and size. How many tiles covered figure A? 13. How many tiles covered figure B? 12. Which has a greater area, A or B? A. Unit of area. The standard unit of measuring area is a square of unit size. A square centimeter is the area of a square of side 1 centimeter. It has an area of 1 square centimeter. A smaller unit of area is a square of side 1 millimeter. It has an area of 1 square millimeter. The area of this square is 16 square centimeters because it has 16 squares of area 1 square centimeter each.